Good day, my name is Lizibo and I am an artificial intelligence presenter. The Police Amendment Bill is a proposed update to Zimbabwe's existing Police Act, the main law that governs how the Zimbabwe Republic Police is structured and operates. Key elements of the bill include terminology and structure changes. It replaces the term police force with police service to align the Act with the 2013 Constitution. Leadership definitions. It clarifies how the Commissioner General and deputies are appointed and how their powers are delegated. Disciplinary and suspension powers. The bill would allow the Commissioner General to temporarily suspend officers who are charged with any criminal offense, not only those convicted or facing serious disciplinary charges under the old law. New codes of conduct and operational rules. It introduces updated rules on how officers should behave and gives clearer legal backing for police procedures, including how force and firearms are regulated. Administrative modernization. The bill also aims to revise internal operations and procedures to modernize and streamline policing work. Supporters in government say the bill is needed because the current Police Act is outdated and not fully aligned with Zimbabwe's constitution, and that updating it would help improve professionalism, clarify roles, and make the service more effective. But critics raise serious concerns such as disciplinary powers, broad suspension powers, especially suspension without conviction, could be misused to sideline officers unfairly. Chilling effect on accountability. Some junior officers who publicly spoke out against the bill at a parliamentary hearing were allegedly transferred to remote stations afterwards, which critics say undermines open debate and may punish whistleblowers. Concerns about internal corruption. During the hearing, some officers also alleged that favoritism and corruption in transfers and senior leadership undermine trust in the force. The bill doesn't explicitly address these issues. Civil society and legal observers have also warned that without strong safeguards, expanded powers and vague operational rules could risk abuses and hurts public trust in policing. The Police Amendment Bill was officially gazetted, meaning it was published in the Government Gazette, formally announcing it as proposed law. Gazetting is an early legislative step, after which the bill must go through Parliament's process of debate, committee review, public hearings, and voting before it can be enacted. According to recent parliamentary planning, the bill is listed among those early in the process and has not yet been passed into law. Public engagement, including hearings where police officers and others can comment, is already happening, but controversies over punitive responses to critics have raised questions about how open that process really is. In essence, the Police Amendment Bill seeks to update Zimbabwe's policing laws, clarify leadership and disciplinary powers, and modernize procedures. Its supporters argue this will make the police more effective and constitutionally aligned. Critics say it expands powers without enough accountability safeguards, and recent reports of punitive transfers of officers who spoke out highlight tensions around transparency and democratic oversight. The bill has been gazetted but still must move through Parliament before becoming law.